So 2 weeks after an L4/5 lumbar discectomy, and first of all, any pain when you're standing like that down your leg?
No, it's all pain free.
No pain?
Yeah.
Any numbness or weakness?
No numbness as well. Moving fine.
Posture?
Yeah, and posture is naturally come back.
Standing taller. I mean, I don't think, when I'll see on the video, I don't think you're reaching that height before. Definitely not. Let's see you walking. Good. Perfect. And then if you turn around and walk back. Yeah, very good. And in terms of, like, just, what sort of balance have you got? Can you kind of squat down and up?
Yeah, I haven't actually done
Yeah.
this. I've been very careful with
Yeah. And bending sideways and the other way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Things are stiff, but that's...
Yeah. 2 weeks after the operation.
Yeah.
Amazing.
What I've really been avoiding is bending over like that.
Yeah. Good.